what we are going to do, print command to display on the screen. Anything what you display on the screen, you want to display on the screen, what you have to use, that is the print command. Okay. And this is your first class for the artificial intelligence, and you are going to use the language that is called the Python. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You are going to make a user form, so you need some variable, name, address, phone number, admission number, CL, fees. These are the variable which can store the value which you are going to take from the user. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Input is the keyword by which you can take a value and you can store into the variable. And the display, what do you want to display on the screen, what the message you want to display on the screen, then you will put in between the double quotation. Okay. First one is the name. Enter a name. What is the variable used over here?
Name.
Name is the variable. For next one is the address. What is the variable used in this?
Add.
Phone number. What is the variable you are going to use?
PHNO.
And admission number?
ADNO.
Class?
CL.
And fees amount?
Fees.
So you are going to take a value from the user and you are going to display on the screen. To display anything on the screen, you have to put on the double quotation by the putting the comma. After that, you don't require to give the double quote. If you want to display the value variable, you're supposed to write there. If you want to display the value of any variable, it will be without double quote. Okay. Anything with what you are putting by double quotation, that is the statement. But the value, if you want to display on the screen, you don't require any double quotation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you will display all the value what you have entered, and you can store a value. Like I'm going to write a program for the addition again. Program for the addition. So you need a variable to store the value 23. I have taken a variable. It is storing the value
23.
Next one is the B. I'm going to take a value 43. That is the constant. That is not taken by the user. Okay. For the complete NAB, for the whole program, it will be A will be 23 and B will be 43. C equals to A plus B. Means whatever the value A, whatever the value of B, that is going to add, and which is going to pass into the C.
C.
I am going to display sum of two values are by putting the comma. After that, you are putting the variable. It will display on the screen. I'm going to run this program, okay? And you will see the output, okay?
Yes, sir.
What it is asking? Oh, you are not able to see the screen. I'm going to share the screen again. Speak out.
Enter a name.
Name. Tell me the name.
Sir, you can use any name.
You give any name.
Sir, Ritika Di.
It is a right spelling.
Yes, sir.
It will be stored in the which variable?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
it is name.
Name. Address. Address is
Kalani.
It will store in which variable?
ADNO.
PHNO.
Oh, sir, is ADNO. Admission number ADNO.
Class 12. this
Piece.
amount now
This
it
amount.
increased.
Hmm.
अब उसको ज्यादा चार्ज लग रहा है 23,000 है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is displaying on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Check it out.
Sir, it is. Yes, sir.
And it is displaying the sum of the two values even now.
Yes, sir.
Today you have learned the programming for the addition and you make a user form, and again you are going to take a value from the user that you will teach to the Siddharth how you are going to take the value into the by the user. Siddharth don't know this, okay?
Okay.
And you will go ahead.
Hmm.
Just a minute.